is a physical, occupational, and speech therapy company right now. We provide outpatient services in one of our 3 outpatient locations in Westchester, Drexel Hill, and Valley Forge. We also provide in-home services that are called either house calls, it's an outpatient, kind of an old-fashioned house call medical model where we bring the services to the patients. We also work with area home health agencies to provide the rehab services in the home in conjunction with their nurses, their social workers, and their home health aides. In 2013, at the end of 2013, I had this thought to start a practice, and I had sent a text message of a picture I had wrote on a dry erase board saying that I'm going to start my own practice in 2014 and admit one person. She said, "You're crazy. Why are you going to do that?" And I said, because that means that I admit one person, I have all the insurance things set up. We ended up admitting our first patient on March 13th, 2014. So less than 3 months later. It's been over 5 years now, and we've admitted thousands of patients and have about 26 employees. We serve a lot of patients throughout the Tri-County area. Our mission is to be more than just a rehab location. A lot of people think of physical therapy as something that you need when you get hurt or when you have surgery or when you get sick. But physical therapy is a lot more than that. Physical therapy can be used to help keep people healthy, help reduce the risk of falls, help reduce the risk of injuries, help keep people independent, not necessarily after somebody experiences a life-altering event, be it surgery, fall, something like that, but to prevent those. So that's our mission, is to be more of a proactive, preventative, and rehabilitative organization, not just something somebody turns to in their time of need. And we have the access to our cardio equipment and our weightlifting equipment so that we can help people to get back to whatever their goals are, whether it's running a marathon or just cooking dinner. Personally, I've done a lot. I've coached swimming in Delaware County for years, dedicated over 15 years to the sport of swimming. Now serve on the board of the Community YMCA of Eastern Delaware County. We also have a community initiative that we call the Full Range Focus, where we donate $5 for every new patient that chooses Full Range. This month we are proud to be partnering with Headstrong out of Delaware County. And then we also take part in the local Little League, local 5Ks, of which one is coming up with the Sunshine and Bubbles 5K that partners with Monsignor Bonner and Archbishop Prendergast to offer a scholarship. So love our community and want to try to keep giving back as much as we can. If anybody watching has ever gone to physical therapy, you'll notice that it's them, and it might be 2, 3, or 4 other patients to one physical therapist, or they might not actually see their physical therapist for a visit or a couple visits or a couple weeks until their next reassessment. At Full Range, you see the same therapist every time, every visit. It's just you and that therapist, and so that continuity, that relationship building, any concerns you have are settled right when you have them, and any exercises or activities you're doing are made sure that you're doing them with the proper technique so that you're not putting yourself at increased risk. Thank you, Risk Averse, for highlighting Full Range. For all those out there watching, Full Range is proud to offer services throughout the greater Philadelphia area. We have 3 locations, one in Valley Forge, one in Westchester, and one in Drexel Hill, right by the old Waverly movie theater. But then we also serve people in the homes for physical, occupational, and speech therapy throughout Delaware County, Chester County, and Montgomery County. So if you ever have any questions, we also offer free screening that you can come into any of our outpatient clinics, ask the questions, and kind of see what we're all about before making the jump to choose Full Range. So thanks for having me.